ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalabu thong ban pendap dia ka jingnya penbait pot ha ki hinreo teli ki jaka baya ka japot bat ka jela Assam la kumno hashwa ka arpusanterik menta ubnai nokpra arhajar arpuwei. Ya kani la pentip do menteri rangba jong ka Sarkar jela u Konrad Konggal Sangma ha ka jingnya kren bat kilat pathai khubor ha ka hinyoterik ubnai nokpra arhajar arpuwei. U menteri rangba uliatho bakawei ni ki regional committee ka bala binshet ban Sorjamin ya ka jingnya penbait put kan sapha ya ka kaipot lasai ka sngi bat kumjuru sa ardali ki regional committee ru kin sapha no ya ka kaipot Sorjamin hapo shisngi arsngi uliatho ru andala yo pediang lut ya ki kaipot na ki regional committees ka Sarkar jilla kan sakhot jingya lang ya baro ki kinhon khnang ban ya theria tai sani bha halor kani ka mat shwa bakan don biang ka jingya kendo bat ki bor ka Sarkar Assam.
Submitting it tomorrow, and then subsequently another few more will submit in a day or two. Post that, as I mentioned earlier, we'll be calling all different stakeholders, political parties, and all stakeholders from different sections to come and give their views and opinions, and consultations will be done, and discussions will be done with different stakeholders. And post that, then we will finally have a meeting once again with the Assam government. So I had already made the statement very clear, and every time the press asks the same question, we are working on trying to resolve them at the earliest, and we are hopeful that in some of the areas of the 6 areas, we should be able to resolve some of them, or we may not be able to resolve, cannot say, but we are giving it an effort to try to resolve it before 25th. But all indications show that there is a possibility that some areas within these 6 areas may be possible to resolve before Christmas. But one can't say, it's a process. We cannot simply just push and say that it has to be before 25th. But it looks like we are seeing positive indications coming out, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to find some way forward in some of the areas. But again, as I said, it all depends on the reports and depends on the discussions that take place in the next few weeks.